Processes are what drive companies in the direction of an organizational goal, but they are not always standardized and understandable by all the interested parties. This video will demonstrate how SoftExpert Process helps companies to discover, model, simulate, publish, and optimize their business processes. SoftExpert Process allows you to establish an enterprise repository to organize your business process. The solution offers a wizard that allows to import process flowcharts even if they were created using a different tool. The wizard is compatible with the BPMN and XPDL file standards. While mapping a process, you can define identification information, such as ID code and process name, in addition to other details such as costs, inputs and outputs, and resources. To ensure process security, you can establish controls by user, department, and functional role, among others. Through the integration with other SoftExpert Suite components, you can associate documents, courses required by the process KPIs, and process risks, among others. The solution provides different process modeler tools. You can model from a macro process to a BPMN-based process. A range of BPMN components is available. Using the drag and drop feature, you can easily model your process by selecting items such as swim lanes, events, activities, and decisions, among others. You can quickly insert and connect BPMN elements with the modeler shortcuts. The modeler assists you in adjusting the properties of your flowchart elements, such as items, size, colors, font size, among others. With SoftExpert Process, you can allocate processes to different languages. This includes process and activity names, which will be automatically displayed according to the preferred language of each user. Processes can also be defined to meet automation purposes. Just activate. In this case, it is possible to define different duration levels through the SLA configuration. SoftExpert Process provides a powerful process simulation tool. It allows you to visualize process execution and to analyze data based on configurable scenarios in order to gain information about cost, cycle times, resources, and bottlenecks. Once the mapping and modeling steps are finished, the process will automatically be published. The solution notifies the interested parties by email and also by generating an acknowledgement task accessible through the Solution Task Manager. The Solution search box allows you to find processes by applying filters by process ID, process name, among others. You can navigate through the process using the process tree or through the process flowchart. You can also have direct access to other objects related to the process, such as key performance indicators, documents, costs, and inputs or outputs, among others. The solution provides a SIPOC and turtle diagram, helping to identify the relationship of process elements useful to process improvement initiatives. These can be exported and shared through PDF files. Process flowcharts can be visualized following the lean concept, making it easier to identify value-added points and waste points into the process. The process summary shows all information related to the process or to an activity. By selecting an activity, you can view related costs, required resources, courses, and KPI activity, among others. If this is an automated process, you will also be able to visualize the electronic forms associated that people will use to enter information while running a workflow. The solution automatically generates a responsibility assignment matrix describing the participation of different roles for a business process. The solution also generates an inter-process matrix, helping you to better understand the relationship between your business process. SoftExpert Process streamlines the implementation of improvements at your business process. The solution can store older versions of your process models. You can make the new version of your process move from drafting to approval and publication steps by defining custom approval workflows. The solution provides features which allows you to compare changes between different process versions. As we've seen in the video, SoftExpert Process is the best software to help organizations to understand, document, and deploy business processes. The solution standardizes business processes, promotes visibility, collaboration, ensures control, and increases business process performance. For more information, visit our website at www.softexpert.com or contact us by email through sales@softexpert.com.